Kia ora. This week we head off to Te Aotearoa. We head up the Kereu River with a few of the locals to check out a few of their hunting grounds and listen to a few of their stories. So join us as we go hunting Aotearoa. Today we're travelling up the mighty Kereu River in the heartland of Te Aotearoa. And with us today, two local legends, Tom and Bo Tibble, and their cousin Titi. And we're actually going up to learn a bit about the history of this place, not so much get a kill, because these fellas are well renowned for their famous stories. So we're looking forward to hearing from those two and their cousin and sharing a few of the funny side of things that happened in here not so long ago and way back then. So we'll catch you soon. Tata ki te ono te koutou a Bo Tibble, e whakangau haere ana I rungi te awa o Kereu. Aha kua, ko whitu te koutou tona pakeke, ka haere tonu a Bo ki te whakangau. Ia nei rā, ko tana tamaiti a Mike, e takatakahi ana ngā ara hikoi a tona pāpā.
Well, I went from Titi to Nohan at that time when Dad got the job to run the station, you see. So hoki mau I te Aote over to here. You know, oh, hapai ui tēnei kāinga, beautiful lady. I never left it since. Oh, well, I've been away working and all that, you know, sort of thing.
How about you, Mother? How long you been tramping up these ways?
Oh, about the same time, same time, but same mountain. I remember 1951, you know, when we came over.
Yeah.
In those days, no DA?
No, nothing, absolutely nothing. Yeah.
Wākanoio. And now goats?
No goats anymore. No goats anymore.
When Doc took over, they cleaned them out. Good job too, you know. They're like a bloody cow. What
about the old story I hear about the old Three Musketeers here, about some people send out a bit of a search party or something. What was the story there?
That was back there, eh? You know. I don't know about the hide here, but I get the pocket in the harbor. Well, we went there, long way too, man, long way down. Wow, 40 years, man. You know, you do the night heads up. Well, memory. We started put on the pizza. Yeah, I get more than you know. I got a powdy hockey heads up.
Yeah, Morangai, he could do
Anaka.
Well, I worried the mom with the mom mopuna, I worry, I hear a matter in Oron. Yeah. Jamaica, no matter the Oron, you know.
Oh, it's a bad one.
But I'm not the walk I thought the mopuni and mouth, I worry, eh?
They do to go on there. I'm Motiata. The piggy go rua. I hate out ticket to Kuri. Later, I wire to mother pork, and I'll cut the bloody thing. Beat out, you know. Hey, I don't go if a guy. No. I had to ticket to pay. Well, my high, Tata got to hide ticket to pork. Ah, what can I quit there, you know? Ah, what? I'll find no more. You told me here, my. I made it time. Time made it. Sure enough. Hoi! Hey, guy gone. Heck am I. Put again, my way. Yeah, and move when I fall. No, no. Put around. Sang at the way pork and rope there. Yeah. And part of my. You both table. Oh, yeah. Hey, oh, Titi, glad I found you and all this. What do you mean you found me? Oh, we search and rescue. Fuck off.
Search and rescue, you reckon?
Yeah.
They're trying to find you in your own backyard there, Matua.
Yeah. Ai, bà cắt ra bảo well, thế là cái phải nó bảo you know, so, okay. Oh, bloody lost, Christ. You know, so, well.
Wait, more than dinner. I might helicopter from the Rakokore way, ne? But quickly mount the reach. Who had the helicopter? Pori the mouth, Pori my no now. They can't mount the reach. Hello. What talk about the helicopter? What your mouth? Well, how far? Imagine. Oh no, our truck just down here. Oh no. I'm thinking, well, you follow the lost. Cool time. But I give me that time, I don't right. Oh, we're glad to see you fellas. You fellas are lost. We went bloody lost.
Had the old P rifle. Put it down. Then I went up. He went up. Oh, fit. Heck. I got halfway up. Took him right to oh, ripped up. Oh, hell. Left the gun behind. You know? Anyway, I pick it up. Took the point. Halfway on the bloody water, you know. Big bastard. Yeah. That man. Two of us, a big dog, knocked the bloody thing over, you know, killed it. Fucking dog, just ripped up. That's why that dog got one eye, ripped under there, you know. Anyway, they bug it. They rolled the pig down here, and I put it on the horse. We couldn't get it on the bloody horse, you know. That's how good it was, you know. Yeah, anyway, bugging the dogs were crooked. Come wait, we go home on our horses, so we chuck it in the water, you know. Big flies in. And we rode home, tied the dogs up at the station. Oh, Mike was home. Yeah. Hey, boy, your truck got the gas in, you know. Yeah. Oh, come on. Home. Taking out, put him in the walk. Oh, we got back up here today, Oh, big bug. Beautiful big thing.
Kua tuku iho e Bauroa ko Tom o raua aroha mo te whakangau puaka ki a raua tamariki. Kua whakahokia mai I rātou ngā mokopuna ki te whakangau tahi me ta rātou kraua. He āhuatanga tēnei tuku iho e ngā pāpā me ngā kraua o mua, arā hei whakangau me te whāngai.
Another time, nā kōtiro pāke a runga te up in the wall there. Well, good. I don't know what same thing, dogs took off in there. And I would have a look. Oh, it's doing up over, you know. Oh, I had one dog. The other buggers chased a deer down the bottom there. Anyway, dog went away. You're fresh, you know. I'm going to anyway, poke made a good crow. Straight past. Up there. Bow, my eye. There's him. I'm going to make him walk straight down. Right just in there. You know? Big bugger too. I don't know what. Who here the bastard? Hector. Two dogs just honed in on it, you know. Upward over goody, you know. Getting the bloody pig, toss him up in the air, you know. Flip them over. Oh, shoot the bastard, boy. Like a bloody dog landed on it. Two of them went in. Lucky right beside a big tree. Behind a big tree. We got him. Hey, you know. Yeah, that was a big bugger. Yeah, man, right. Do you know why they did it? Yeah. The young fella got a little creek up here. The shit creek. These fellas don't like going in there, rough it over, you know. Well, we went in there one time. The young fella's dog got ripped up. They told him, you go out. And you out on the truck, their horse was at the station, you know. I said, how do we get the hoi-ho? Oh, what happened? Don't get the truck. Hey, get the truck. That's what we came on the horse. He said, who am I? So on the bloody pork and they hey, bastard, you know. Well, that fellow went down there, rode down back to the last gate there, you know. Came back on the truck. We were still dragging the bloody thing out, you know, sort of thing. And Aotearoa came up. And we checked it over a bit of a waterfall there. And the bloody thing sunk. Hey, hey, my pants off, get in there, get the bloody thing, you know. Tiro, hide it. Hey, I'm not bossing here, see your black ass. Cut the Mokopunda, you know. Well, open way to go on a bit of trucker. He had to come in and still help us to drag the bloody thing out there, you know. Oh, crikey, man.
I ngā rāo mua, I kohia te miere I ngā pūāwai o te harakeke, te kōrari, te rata, te pohotukawa me te rewarewa. Ko wai kaihua te kupu o mātātua mō te miere ka kohi e te rata. Tino matareka te kākā mō te wai kaihua. I ngā rāo mua, ka peka kāhui ngā kākā ki te rākau rata I te marama o kohi tātea. Ko te wai kōrari, te wai harakeke me te ngongo kōrari, ngā kupu mo te miere o te harakeke. Ko te waihonga, te kupu a te wiremu, mo te miere kei ngā puti o te aka. I ki mai tētahi ripoato o Aotearoa, he kahaake te pai o te miere o te harakeke ki tā te miere o tepi. Anei weitahi kōrero pākiki a te meke tānara mo te wai kōrari. He miere waireka kai roto I ngā puti e tupua ni te tā o te harakeke. Ka mōmia te Māori I ngā tānei, ka kohia hoki a ka kuhu atu te miere ki roto I ngā hue I reira waihoai. I te taitimu karekau he miere I roto I te puti. Engari, I te parihaere o te tai, ka piki ake te wai kōrari ki eke ki roto I te puti. I te ekenga o te taipari ki tōna taumata, ka whakaki te wai kōrari ki te pārua a ka maringi ki ngā taha. Ka timu te tai, ka noho maroke anō ngā puti. Ka pēnei tēnei āhua, iara, I te ata I te pō, I te wā, kai te kaha te puāwai o te puti. Nā kāti, ko mutu anō wā tātou kōra mō tēnei pō, nā reira nohora mai koutou I o koutou wākai.
I tā mātou haere taua, I puta mai a mai ki te ngahere. Ki hai ia I wai mari I tēnei rā, engari he rā anoa popo. He pērā anoa Mike ki ona pāpā a Bauroa ko Tom, ko roa rawa ia e whakangau ana I te awa. Me te hia anoa Mike, kia pērā hoki ana tamariki. Hoi anō, kia haere tonu tātou ki tō hopuni o te whānau, kei runga I te awa o kereu. Kua tino kino te rere ke o e nei rā ki ngā rāo mua, mo te toko toru kraua nei a Bau, a Tom, rātou ko Titi. I mua ko te hoiho hei hari I hunga whakangau, I nāi nei ko te taraka ke. Ia tau, ka hoki tonu mai ngā whānau ki konei, ki te hararei, ki te whakangau hoki. He wāhi tēnei hei romiromi I a mahara, mo e nei o ngā pakeke. Hei māhea hoki, I o rātou whakaahu. made it up the kereu, and here we are at a campsite. Place very, very special for you, Matua. Hey, how often do you come up here with your whānau?
Oh, pretty regular. He's raumati, eh? You know, pretty regular in the summer, yeah. Pretty well just about every weekend, you know, yeah. When we can, when the river is not flooding or too high, eh?
Usually it's always with our kids or our mokopunas. We sort of look forward to each time that we can, you know, spare the time to come up and bring them up with us, so to say. It's paid dividends. Now they can come up on their own. Now so we don't have to be here with them anymore. That got on here, go here, mom, then.
Pai le te pire, mai kai.
Ia mau ia ina, ara mai kai tama tina. Ko rari mo togi te kai.
You know, we come up today on the old truck. How long does it usually take to get up here on the old horse?
Oh, heta, nearly all day. Because you know, we stop here and there, have a look in the creeks, hey, you know, sort of thing. And we get up here, we unload our swags off the horses, you know, and then we'll ride up that river, have a hunt up there, come back, sleep, hunt up this one, you know. Then we get back here, pack our swag, or have a feed, pack our swag, and home, James, you know. Sometimes we're just too late to go home while we come and camp. And just go home in the morning, you don't carry on anymore, hey, you know, sort of thing.
Hi for the cupboards.
Aye, that's all we hunt for, yeah. Mota kāpata, yeah.
I heard you mention you got a special something you want to do next year when you get 70.
Yeah, well, I hope I can. I want to sneak away from my kids and everywhere and just come by my bloody self, you know, and see if I can do it one more time on my own. Hey. And I can gladly finish anuitena, you know, just reach the age of 70 and
catch one more pig.
Yeah, by myself.
Piggy whara.
By myself, yeah. Hopefully, you know, sort of thing.
Last year, keen your young fellas, I don't think that'd be pretty hard to do, eh?
I have to sneak away, eh? I'll have to sneak away, you know, sort of thing. They don't like me coming on my own anyway, you know, sort of thing. You know, well, fair enough, you know. It's only easy, hey, you know, trip over a log or something. Hey.
That's why our other nephew won't let me come in. Yeah, I was just telling him our other nephew stays at the bridge at the river.
And, you know, well, I know it's just trying to look after ourselves, you know, sort of thing, but it's just, to we here, hey, when we here, can mow yao, go and knock, hey, me o kuri, rao, can do it. It's the lifestyle, eh, you know. It's home, hey. Jawa ka so ne, it's kind of do hey, you know.
I was talking to a young fella and he said he even brought his wife up here.
Yeah.
And back home, our hunters back home, they go to the bush to get away from the wife. When the rugby season finishes anyway, they got no excuse, so they start going hunting.
Yeah.
Well, one of these we are rugby training, bloody tikani, chasing, you know. Yeah, this be our training thing. One time when you're playing rugby.
Score a try, you catch a pig.
Well, ke pahu mai nā kuri wā ui o. You know, iau te aitanga maha ki hoki tamai konei pig hunting. This river and then go the other side. Nā clear, or go puihira nā. Oh, good dogs then. Or plenty pigs there then too.
Yeah, no sweat there.
No Tom, no.
Well, it's quite disappointing, you know. Te tawhiti to hara mai. For here, we're poor the guy on the, you know, sort of thing, eh? Oh, that's how it goes.
Just now anyway. I poor got the guy.
You know, so ka hoki tō mai mātou. Hey, have another go. Hey, have another go, yeah.
One of the locals let the pigs go here, and you fellas see them, and then one week they're 8, and then come back the next week it's 6. As soon as they get released, there's another hunter behind coming to catch them all. But not you fellas, eh? Not you fellas.
We were honest.
At least we did try, to sidestep. Well, we did. We sidestepped them. I think in all of it we got one of them. As I say, that was just
Couldn't help it.
couldn't help it. Aye. Otherwise,
Didn't see the bloody thing in the dog's off.
And you never come home with a woolly one?
No.
Never. Kore. Ka ho nā pake me kia mātou. I roto noi a mātou koko e pati. Just like that. Aye.
I don't matter how te rā mai.
No.
Well, we didn't need to. Hey, and we don't forget. We guaranteed to catch a pig. Hey, you know, we didn't need to do that.
Pere ne tuna hoki.
Ai,
Te pōke ro te wai. Ai nā wai toka i. Ke puta mai. Toha me te pōke rā kera. Ko mauki hoki.
Yeah.
Kei e tahi taima e
Ono.
Kentucky. Kei e tahi taima e Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Well. Ai hewe.
Possum.
Sometimes you come up here, you know, and especially in the summer, and get a bloody pig, you know, just, horrible. Just feed it to the dogs, you know, sort of thing. No good, you know. Or even if it's reasonable, you think, oh yeah, I'll eat that bugger. We haven't got anything better, you know. But, oh yeah, one feed, dogs can have the rest. You just, you know, you get fussy. Hey, you get fussy, yeah, sort of thing. Bugger it.
Still kai though.
Oh yeah.
Kai for our, kai for the dogs.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we never leave anything, you know.
How am I?
Yeah, I'll go to here. I'll go to kind of my kuri. Hey, you know, sort of thing. Kare mai mo no. Tēnei kia mātua e whakangau pōa, ne, no? Well, tēnei mai, he mahi ngahau, mahi ngahau. Hapai matu tamariki, hapai ki a rātou, ka piringa i rātou tēnei mahi, they get carried away, you know. And, you know, it's good, clean fun, good clean fun for the kids. Can't hurt anybody up here or anything, you know. It's great to me, great for the kids, yeah, great for the kids, yeah.
And today, well, I want to go to come with you, well. Yeah, now you know you from where. Yeah. Kia ora kia koutou. Tā mea i. But he was going to bring me up one day anyway. Kala wako tāme o tahi a koutou wā.
Shall I wait till I'm 70 and you and I come?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You might call a helicopter.
Koutou mā, ka nui taku miharo. Aroha kia koutou. Kia ora. Titi. Living legends, men of the land. That's what you call these fellas. History will never die long as these fellas got their stories to tell. Kia ora koutou. We'll see you fellas next time on Hunting Aotearoa. Kia ora.
Kia ora. Kia ora.
Well, what can you say about those 3 old codgers? Lost in your own backyard? I don't think so. Many thanks to Bo, Tom and Titi, and I just hope when I'm your ripe old age, I'm still hunting too. So join us next time when we go hunting Aotearoa. Well, what can you say about those 3 old codgers? Lost in your own backyard? I don't think so. Many thanks to Bo, Tom and Titi. This week, Hunting Aotearoa takes us to Te Whanau, where we journey up the Kereu River with a grin on my face. Well, What can you say about those 3 old codgers? Lost in their own backyard.
Yeah. Must be the heat.
He mea tautoko na te maanga.
Te Kaha.